everyone is suddenly talking about AI? That is because they are.
At this point, I'm sure you've heard of ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. Se llama ChatGPT.
Well, it was developed by the American company OpenAI.
OpenAI founder and CEO Sam Altman testifying on Capitol Hill later today. He's going to face questions about artificial intelligence.
This is Sam Altman, co-founder and CEO of Loopt, a college dropout who had no idea that he would one day shape the future. History belongs to the doers, and Sam Altman is a testament to that belief. Now the CEO of OpenAI, he's a key player in over 400 companies, with decisions that quite literally shape humanity's future. A billionaire once said about him, "He has such force of will, he'll get whatever he wants." But how did this once broke college student rise to the helm of one of the world's fastest-growing companies? This is the story of Sam Altman. Sam, born in 1985 as the youngest of three, got his first computer at 8 and, remarkably, already knew how to program it. His communication skills, honed through debate at a prestigious private school, would later prove essential in his career. His first venture was building websites for local businesses, but what came next truly set the course of his life. With drive and intelligence, he made it to Stanford, a breeding ground for future billionaires like Evan Spiegel of Snapchat and Kevin Systrom of Instagram. However, despite his potential and success at Stanford, Sam found his time there unfulfilling and decided to drop out at 19, persuading two classmates to join him. Together, they founded Loopt, a location-based mobile app that caught the eye of Paul Graham, a Silicon Valley billionaire and founder of Combinator. Graham immediately saw Sam's potential, comparing him to tech giants like Sergey Brin, Larry Page, and Steve Jobs. Loopt became the first company backed by Combinator, alongside Reddit. Although it peaked at a valuation of $175 million, Loopt struggled to scale, leading Sam to sell it in 2012 for $43 million, walking away with $5 million. With his newfound wealth, Sam explored the world, raced supercars, and flew planes. But instead of settling down, Sam's hunger for innovation led him back to Silicon Valley. He dipped his toes in venture capitalism, but soon realized it wasn't for him. Paul Graham then offered him a role as a partner at Combinator, where Sam excelled, eventually becoming its president. Under his leadership, Combinator thrived, focusing on investing in startups with transformative ideas. Sam's sharp business acumen even caught the attention of Marc Andreessen, who noted that Sam had elevated Combinator's ambition tenfold, a significant compliment from a competitor. Sam Altman's relentless drive and strategic vision have made him one of the most respected figures in Silicon Valley. He interviews every promising founder personally, ensuring Combinator stays ahead of the curve. His journey from a broke college student to a leader in the tech industry is nothing short of extraordinary. Instead of relying solely on traditional startup networks, IC flipped the script under Altman's guidance, adopting an open-door policy where anyone with a business idea could secure an interview. This approach led to an influx of over 40,000 applications annually, resulting in a staggering number of interviews. However, the strategy proved successful, with EC's portfolio growing to a combined valuation exceeding $100 billion. You might be wondering what makes Sam Altman such a remarkable investor. His success boils down to three key principles: prioritizing the founders, solving genuine problems, and maintaining a long-term vision. Despite an outstanding career at Combinator, Altman wasn't content with merely being a startup investor. He sought something more significant, and in February 2014, founded in artificial intelligence. While AI is widely recognized today, back then, it was often dismissed as a failed science. Sam, however, saw its potential and decided to dive in headfirst, teaming up with Elon Musk.
OpenAI, I mean, you seem somewhat frustrated with them. You were one of the big contributors early on.
The reason I am the reason OpenAI exists.
How much money did you give?
Some number on the order of $50 million. Man, fate loves irony, next level. So I used to be close friends with Larry Page, and I would stay at his house, and we'd have these conversations long into the evening about AI.
Altman set out to create a new AI company. They quickly encountered a major challenge: Google's dominance in AI talent, controlling 75% of the industry's top engineers. But that didn't deter them. They hosted a private dinner to bring together the brightest AI minds and recruited 9 out of the top 10 researchers they identified. Securing top talent was only the first hurdle. The biggest challenge was funding. As a nonprofit, OpenAI struggled to attract the necessary capital, even with Musk initially pledging $1 billion. When Elon left the company in 2018 due to differences in vision, OpenAI was left in a precarious position. Facing financial difficulties, Altman turned to Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, leading to a strategic partnership that significantly altered OpenAI's path. Though the shift from a nonprofit model sparked public criticism, Sam believed partnering with Microsoft was essential not just for the financial backing, but because he respected Nadella's leadership. With the support of a trillion-dollar company, OpenAI was better positioned than ever. In 2018, the team released GPT-1, marking the beginning of a new era. A year later, Altman made the difficult decision to step down as chairman of Combinator to fully focus on OpenAI, a move that signaled his unwavering commitment to the future of artificial intelligence. As Sam Altman rose through the ranks to eventually become the president of Combinator, he recognized that for OpenAI to reach its full potential, he needed to dedicate himself fully to the mission. That decision paid off handsomely. In the same year, OpenAI unveiled the GPT-2 language model, which marked a significant leap from its predecessor, GPT-1. GPT-2 was so advanced that it even garnered praise from Geoffrey Hinton, often referred to as the godfather of AI. But the real game changer came in 2020 with the release of GPT-3, a model capable of generating, summarizing, and translating text across various languages with remarkable proficiency. This was followed by the launch of DALL-E in 2021, which showcased AI's creative capabilities by generating images in various styles, from cartoons to abstract art. While DALL-E was impressive, the biggest revolution was yet to come. Sam Altman had the vision to integrate GPT-3 into a simple chatbot, an idea that faced resistance even within OpenAI, with many engineers, including Craig Brockman, skeptical about its potential. However, Sam was unwavering in his belief, and he was right. The result was ChatGPT, which quickly became the fastest-growing product in history, amassing over 100 million users in just 2 months. This success was a clear sign that the AI revolution had arrived, with ChatGPT providing an accessible interface for even the least tech-savvy individuals. This achievement not only highlighted Sam Altman's sharp intuition, but also solidified his legacy in the world of AI. However, Sam Altman is more than just a tech visionary. His personal life reveals some intriguing details, such as being a doomsday prepper with a nuclear bunker stocked with gold, guns, and gas masks. He has also sparked controversy, particularly with a 2017 blog post criticizing political correctness and censorship in San Francisco, a sentiment that resonated with many. Sam's personal investment portfolio is just as impressive as his professional achievements, with stakes in over 400 companies, including major names like Airbnb, Stripe, Reddit, Asana, and Pinterest. He's also an avid reader, reportedly consuming over 100 books a year, and has supported the effective altruism movement, though its reputation took a hit after the FTX scandal. Even as one of the most successful individuals in the world, Sam Altman continues to push boundaries. In 2023, he convinced Microsoft to inject another $10 billion into OpenAI, boosting its valuation to over $30 billion. With the release of GPT-4, which surpasses human performance in many tasks, OpenAI is on track to possibly reach $1 trillion market cap. However, with such advancements come significant risks, including job displacement and the critical issue of AI alignment. Altman remains optimistic, believing that AI has the potential to eradicate human suffering, eliminate poverty, and cure diseases in the coming decades. Sam Altman's journey is a testament to his exceptional leadership, and it seems he is just getting started. I hope you like our video. If you like, don't forget to hit subscribe button for future interesting videos. Thanks for watching.